And there we go. That's my look. Officially complete. Pardon me. The costume that I popped on are actually two bright pink tutus. Two tutus, sorry. So, I'll be popping 2 links on the screen up there that will take you to 2 What was that? So I'm going to go back to my medium brush and I'm going to start tracing out the shape... Pardon me, oh my god, sorry. Or more specifically, a vampire inspired by both Buffy and the Lost Boys kind of mixed together. I've lost a tooth. I've lost a tooth. Oh. Oops. Hey. So this is what I'm going to look like when I'm old. Yeah. I look gorgeous. Oh. Oops. Make sure when you block them out to obviously layer... Make sure that when you do block your eyebrows out, the first... Make sure that when you block your eyebrows out, you allow... Make sure that... I think I've done this 500 times now in videos and I can never get it right. And to stick my prosthetic down, I like to use... Pardon me. Oh. And now, sneezing without a mouth. So I finished off the look by popping in 2 vampire... Okay, this is a lot harder to talk in than I thought they'd be. Blah, blah, blah. Poo. Oh, wait. Oh, it was just 1. Oh, wait. Oh, God. Ow. That was unpleasant. Whenever I do a makeup that's on the spot and there's never any plan... My flies are falling off. They're dropping off me like flies. Ha! Why, in the ever-loving flippity-floof, did I do one eye first? Now, I have the wonderful, gorgeous task of replicating this on this side. Oh. You have any idea how long that took? Hey Fluffies, welcome back to Pinkstylist Plays. Today we're playing a brand new game that has only just recently been released. That's what brand new means, Charlie. Get a grip. So I finished the look off by popping in 2 fake vampire fangs, which is why I have kind of a lisp at the moment, or more of a lisp. So whilst the adhesive is drying, I'm going to talk to you all about the percent. So whilst the adhesive is drying, I can talk to you... So whilst the adhesive is drying, I can talk to you all... So whilst the adhesive is drying, I can talk to you all about the foundation colour that I'm going to be using. Close, but that sounded weird. So whilst the adhesive is drying, I can talk to you all about the adhesive that I'm going to be using for the foundation colours. So thanks so much for watching, Fluffies. I really hope you all enjoyed this. I forgot the fangs. I forgot the... This is a... Oh no, I filmed so much already. This is a Oh my god, this is a vampire makeup and I forgot the bloody fangs. Oh poo. No. Bollocks. Oh, come on. Hey Fluffies, welcome back to Pinkstylist Plays and welcome to Phasmophobia, an evil game. Really f***ing stupid introduction. One more time. Hello. Okay, next PO Box video. Before we get this video started, I'll quick my...
In my day we had twerking and hoverboards and Kim Kardashian. She was just awful.
Purely because it's got some really nice bruising colours in there and also some flesh tones and... God, I love saying flesh tones. Ew. And now, trying to drink through a straw without a mouth. Here we go. One take. Right, here we go. Hey, Fluff. Wait, what am I playing? Freak Apocalypse. Okay. 2 takes. Okay. Mwah. Oh, actually, hold on. Look. Sound like Zoidberg then. Hey Fluffies, welcome back to Pinkstylist Plays. Today we're playing more Side 9... You! Oh, my brain just stopped working entirely then. Mother... 3 takes! I can do it in 3! Hey Fluffies, welcome back to Pinkstylist Plays. Today we're playing more Side 9 Happiness... Oh! That's it. That's what's me up. I can't say side... I can't... Oh my god. Cyanide. Cyanide and happiness. Freak apocalypse. Cyanide. What the f? 4 takes. Hey Fluffies, welcome back to Pinkstylist Plays. Today we're playing more cyanide and... No! Why can't I say cyanide? I think I'm dying. Holy crap, my phone actually unlocks for once using the facial recognition. That's a first. I might have to stay like this now. Rawr.
Guess we have to press it, right?
I guess we do. Ow! I just smacked the wall! Ow! This is why I shouldn't turn my bloody boundaries off. Ow. Cool. Then, once the ears are dry, we can take a red Superstar face paint and we can do the really fun part, which is colouring the entire face and ears and neck in red. What? Hey Fluffies, welcome back to Pink...
No idea.
I've been sitting here for like 15 minutes just making myself laugh because, like, hang on. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Okay, so when you're done, it should look something like this, and it totally didn't take a million frickin' years. It's going to be part of my 30 minutes effects series, I think. I'm going to do something like I used to do, very, very little detail, but hopefully an effect that'll be effective. Oh god. No. Pardon me. Whew, that was not a ghost, that was me. I'm also going to use a really small foundation brush by Moda just to blend it off the nose area, and also because it's so pretty. Look at it, it's so pretty. It's not very often I gush over a makeup brush, but pretty. And there we go. That's my look, officially complete. Pardon me. Oops. Pardon me. Too much blood.